Tired of staring at that insufficient funds message when you're just inches away from snagging that legendary raid pass? Luckily, this video is going to show you how to turn that Apple gift card collecting dust into valuable PokeCoins and other Pokemon Go goodies. First things first, make sure you have an Apple gift card, the kind you can use on the App Store. This is important because it's the key to unlocking in-app purchases in Pokemon Go. Next, locate the App Store icon on your iPhone or iPad. It's that blue icon with the white in the center. Tap it to open the App Store. Once the App Store is open, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a picture of you or a generic avatar. Tap on it. In your account settings, you'll see several options. Look for Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap on it. Now, you'll be presented with a couple of options to redeem your gift card. You can either manually enter the code or use your iPhone's camera to scan the code on the back of the card. Scanning is usually the quicker and easier option. Follow the prompts on screen to scan the code or enter it manually. After successfully redeeming your Apple gift card, the funds will be added to your Apple ID balance. Now, launch Pokemon Go. In Pokemon Go, tap on the Pokeball at the bottom of the screen. Then select Shop. You'll see a variety of items and PokeCoin bundles available for purchase. Choose the PokeCoin bundle or item you want to buy when prompted. Your Apple ID balance will be used to pay for the purchase. Confirm the purchase, and you're all set. You've successfully used your Apple gift card to enhance your Pokemon Go experience. Now get out there and catch 'em all.